Is Seesaw not installed on your child's iPad device? We are working on that. We have a quick workaround for you to access Seesaw in the meantime. Here's how to access Seesaw if Seesaw is not installed on your student's device. You're going to go to Safari, and you're going to go to web.seesaw.me. When you're there, click Login. I'm a student. Scan code. Allow. You can change the camera here and then scan your QR code and it'll bring you straight to your class. This is a temporary workaround for if you don't have Seesaw installed on your iPad. Now let's make it a web clip so your child can access it easily. We are going to make Seesaw a web app on your home device so that your student or your child can easily find Seesaw every time. You're going to hit the share arrow, scroll down, add to home screen, Seesaw, and add. Now it'll be right here. When they click on that, it'll bring them to their Seesaw classroom.